Once upon a time, in a country bustling with opportunity, a baby girl is born, a tiny princess to her adoring family. While she is treasured and protected by all who love her, her story won't unfold as the simple fairy tale they would like it to be. This is my story, and the story of women everywhere. It's the story of women taking control of their own destinies, women of courage, passion, persistence, innovation, compassion, and determination. It's about those who dare to break barriers. It's no easy task taking the road less traveled, but at the end of the day, the appreciation is worth it. Remember, the most interesting stories are not of those who had it easy. We rise, we fall. But what's important is that we find our inner strength and stand tall. Women, know your value. Wear your crown. Write your own story. We believe there's no limit to what you can accomplish. Happy Emirati Women's Day.